is what each one of your influencer, each one of your affiliate partners will see as they get access to their dashboard. So you can brand it as I have done here with your company logo, company colors, your own welcome message. The dashboard is unique to each affiliate of yours, so everyone in your affiliate program, it'll have the similar look and feel, but of course, the unique affiliate link and the social media shortcuts are going to also be unique to each affiliate, because that in turn is also going to have their link embedded within there so that they get credit for anyone who they send to your website. So first and foremost, what we're looking at is a unique referral link. So a couple of things that are nice about LeadDyno links that kind of set us apart from other affiliate links that you may see provided by other affiliate tracking platforms. These are direct links to your website. So that's a good thing, not only from a user standpoint. They click the link, they end up on your site. There's no in-between or sketchy redirects. They're on your site. As such, Google recognizes those inbound links as direct links to your site. So every time one of these links gets posted online, that's going to help you from an SEO standpoint as well. Easy enough for affiliates to post the link. They can hit the big copy button here on the right and then paste it into an email newsletter, onto a website that they have, into a social media channel, and they will get credit for anyone who clicks through one of these links and ends up on your website. We also have social media shortcuts. This makes sharing even easier for them. And the easier we can make sharing for them, the more likely they're going to be to share. I think you'll find that I'm going to show you some of the preloaded content that we have that makes sharing literally a click or two away for your affiliates, making things so simple that all they need to do is click the button, tap from their phones, and again, the easier we can make the stuff, the more often they are going to share on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, so on and so forth. So with that Facebook share, all I did, I hit the Facebook button and that tees up this post, and then I'm one click away or one tap away if I'm on my phone from being able to share this post with my Facebook friends and followers. They in turn will see this post come from me through their Facebook feeds, and as they click through or tap through the post, I will get credit for the shares and the clicks through and the referrals. Same with our other social media shortcuts here. Sharing on Twitter, easy enough as hitting the tweet button. This logs me into Twitter, tees up a tweet, and then same idea as I share this on Twitter, my followers will see this come through their tweet streams, and as they click through, tap through, I get credit for those shares. Instagram sharing also available. We also now have text messaging, WhatsApp sharing. Those are especially made convenient with the use of our mobile apps. So these are available for both Android and for iPhone devices. And the way that our mobile apps work is that you will download them to your phone. Your affiliates will download them to their phone, put in their email address. We will then recognize them as a member of your affiliate program, and we place this entire dashboard on their phone from the convenience of their app. So these are great ways for you to get your dashboard directly onto their phones. They can share when they're on the go, if they're watching TV during commercial breaks, if they're waiting for food, waiting for an Uber. So stuff that makes things really easy, again, and especially convenient with our social media sharing, things such as Instagram, Facebook, where you're mostly using them from your phone. So having that phone-based mobile app, big advantage there as well. A couple more things on the dashboard. Our marketing materials section is where folks with websites can get access to materials such as banner ads, infographics. Each has their affiliate link embedded within the HTML. All they need to do is copy and paste this, and then they can post it on their website, onto their blog. They will get credit for anyone who clicks through one of these banners and ends up on their site. I have an archive of affiliate newsletters here. You will mail these out from within LeadDyno, and we mail them out on your behalf, and then they will end up in your affiliate email inbox. Here's one that I sent out a couple of weeks ago. I actually sent this out through one of our partner systems, Aweber, as I was testing that new integration. But you can either compose these and send them out from within LeadDyno itself, so we will do the email composition and send for you, or if you're using a product such as HubSpot, Aweber, MailChimp is something we're going to be looking at soon in terms of incorporating affiliate newsletters into those. You can also compose and send the newsletters directly from one of those systems if you would like it as well. I'll share the formula for writing affiliate newsletters that I found to be effective as we get into LeadDyno itself. And let's actually transition there now. So I'm going to take you into one of my own LeadDyno accounts and show you that what we're doing here on the affiliate marketing side. Big part of our business as well. You can see we're over 1,900 affiliates, so closing in on that 2,000 mark. And one of the keys to success is that we're recruiting affiliates all the time. So we've got, as you can see, 19 more over the last week. We've got 7 in the last day. So nice, kind of nice recruitment going on all the time. What we then do is we look into LeadDyno. I kind of tee things up so that I can manage these affiliates and keep them motivated and things, but have LeadDyno do a lot of the work for me so that I don't have to sit there and individually call 1,954 people to encourage them to get out there and promote their link. So let's walk through the content setup side. So this is going to be in the content section, which is about halfway down on the left-hand side of your screen here. This is where we can customize the affiliate website. You can, you'll probably want to go with our mobile-friendly version. You can select your color scheme. You can get your logo in there. Bunch of settings. So for example, you want to require affiliate approval. You're welcome to do that. Just toggle this setting over to on. If you want to put the affiliate website on your own domain, you can do that as well using our custom domain feature. Everything throughout the header, introduction, instructions, all customizable as well. So you can update this with new text. You can also insert images or links if you'd like. Update the HTML directly. Custom CSS, even if you want to further style that page. Terms of service, have your affiliates opt into this. You can get your terms of service agreement in here as well. That Facebook post I showed you earlier, so when we hit the Facebook share button, teed this up, that Facebook post, the contents of it are located right here. So you can write the title of the post, the text that goes in there, the URL. Within the tweet as well, you can update this here. So just as easy as that, as easy as writing a tweet. But again, it is a huge time saver. In our case, if you think about, I take a few minutes to do this, and then that saves all of our 2,000 affiliates a few minutes. That's a big cumulative time savings there. And I just find that most people, honestly, they share, they hit the tweet button, they hit the Facebook button, they run with whatever I wrote. There's a good chance that if I didn't write anything, they might not share at all. So affiliates, influencers, being busy people like you and I these days, just kind of keep that in mind. We're doing them a nice favor here by getting them off to a good head start. So would encourage you to write that social media content initially, and then if you keep it fresh every month or 2 or 3, however often you can get to it, again, just set aside a few minutes, rewrite that Facebook post, rewrite the tweet. Instagram, you don't even have to rewrite. It just is going to it's only a link. So a lot of this stuff is already done for you, but nice to keep things fresh for our affiliates as we can. I'm going to hop over to our tools menu here. This is where a lot of our engagement happens, so we can send the affiliate newsletter. If you're using LeadDyno, send your newsletters direct from here, so you can compose the newsletter and send it out. As I mentioned, this is the one that I sent out 11 days ago using our new Aweber integration. So either way, results the same. We've got all of your affiliates within LeadDyno, so whether you want us to send it from within LeadDyno or you want to do it from a partner system, both ways work. We also have automated emails, and these are especially nice because these are going to fire off emails to your affiliates based on certain events without you having to actually do anything yourself. So for example, when a new affiliate signs up to join your program, you can send them this welcome email. It has their affiliate link. It also has the link to their affiliate dashboard, so it's got everything that they need to get up and running. You can also let folks know how they did for the week, so the number of visitors, leads, and purchases that they each got credit for. We can do that right here as well. Or we can even let folks know every time they get credit for a new lead or a new purchase by sending out individual emails of this nature also. All right, last topic I got for you, last big topic is going to be affiliate recruitment. It's always a popular one. How are we going to get affiliates? How do we get 1,900 people into your program? So one nice technique is our affiliate invitation email. What we're doing here is we're sending this out to new customers as they buy from you and inviting them to join your affiliate program. So this year is a nice way to get a 2-for-1. You got a new customer. Why don't we see if we can turn that person into a new affiliate of yours at the same time? Not much you need to do if you want to run with this beyond enabling this email, sign your name to it, you'd be off and going. And again, just reaching out to folks as they buy and inviting them to join your program. We also set you up with an affiliate sign-up page. So folks who are not yet affiliates of yours, as they hit your dashboard, they will then be they'll be first redirected over to this sign-up page where they can quickly opt in as an affiliate. This is a page that you can link to from your website, from an email newsletter, again, from a social media channel, and point folks here. By default, we're going to host it for you just to make things easy, but you can put it on your own domain if you would like to do that as well. Finally, we also have, and a question coming in, can we customize the URL to our domain instead of LeadDyno? So yeah, absolutely. That's going to be using our custom domain feature. So within our content section is where, and configure affiliate website, you can set up the custom domain. Let me actually pull those instructions for you while we're on it so I can get you that. If you have questions, we can guide you through it. Happy to do that. But this is how you would set up the affiliate dashboard on your own domain. So you got the steps to do that. Okay, the other affiliate recruitment tool that I had is going to be our affiliate network. So this is a real nice way to get in front of those folks who are affiliates, influencers, working in your industry, used to promoting on a commission-only basis, and looking for unique products like yours to promote. So what we do is we get you set up with a profile that talks about your product, talks about your affiliate program. We've got 21 different product categories, so we've got somewhere good to slot you in here. We're happy to help you out with the profile creation and such here. Easiest way for you to join the network, which by the way is a free benefit of being a LeadDyno user in many cases a very valuable one as well. Click the network tab in the lower left corner of your screen from LeadDyno. That redirects you over to ecommerceaffiliates.com. And from here, you can talk about your product, talk about your affiliate program. It would pop up a wizard if you did it from LeadDyno for the first time. And then you can get all set up from there. Again, as I mentioned, we get you set up in the directory, and then would love to also get you featured in a newsletter. This is one that actually went out yesterday to our beauty-focused affiliates and influencers. We found we have success mailing to that crowd on weekends, so we sent this one out on a Sunday. We do the write-ups for the newsletter. We feature your product, your program, and all you need to do is kind of just give us a heads up that you want to be featured. So that's something I can actually work directly with you on if you're interested in getting this out there. So let me know. Just reach out to me, and I can definitely work with you on that. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get you some additional support, and then we can get into additional questions if you have any. So to get a hold of us, LeadDyno.com/support. It's going to let you book a one-on-one phone call from here. So if you want to expand on any topics that we talked about, or you need specific help, LeadDyno.com/support to book a call. Our contact page shows all the ways you can get a hold of us. We got support on every day, and that includes holidays, so not hard to find us. Live chat actually goes 24 hours a day now during the work week. You'll find that in the lower right corner of LeadDyno, lower right on the website as well. If you have anything for me, Brett at LeadDyno.com goes back to me, or anything you've got about this webinar today also will go back to me so I can circle back one-on-one on anything that you have. Otherwise, I thank you for joining. So it looks like we're good on questions, so I will let you go. Hope you have a great week ahead of you. And again, let us know how we can help. I know it's a lot to absorb. Just kind of take things one at a time, and we're here to help you. We're here to help you with that next step. So looking forward to helping your affiliate program grow and scale and helping promote everything that you got going. So keep us posted. Have a great rest of your Monday evening here and a great rest of your work week, and hope to talk to everyone soon.